What's down with you, baby? I'm back with another video. New Year's is coming up, right? Today we're making black-eyed peas. You know, I have some smoked turkey necks in there. Stick around. Peep how I did it. Cook! Alright, we're gonna start off by rinsing and cleaning our black-eyed peas. We're just gonna put them in a strainer and run some water over them, you know, just to kind of clean them, maybe to have, you know, some dirt in them, and just, you know, just rinse them off. And at the same time, while you're doing that, you're kind of sifting through to see if there's anything in your beans. Okay, so it's just real simple. Go ahead and add your black-eyed peas to your pot. And then we're gonna add 10 cups of water. Once we add those 10 cups of water, we're gonna go ahead and add 2 bay leaves and then put the top on it. You know, this is the first stage of cooking the beans. We're gonna cook them until the water starts to turn colors. And now you can see the water has started to turn colors. Now we're gonna go ahead and start on adding our other ingredients. Now over to our pan, we're gonna go ahead and start on our smoked sausage. We're gonna add some avocado oil and we're gonna saute our smoked sausages. And I'm gonna add a little bit of Cajun seasoning to them, because sometimes these smoked sausages be needing a little seasoning. They just need an extra kick. So we're basically browning our sausage. And once your sausage gets to that brown color, we're gonna go ahead and add some minced garlic and stir that around, saute that with the sausage. Once the garlic becomes fragrant, then you can take it off the fire. Now over to our pot. We're gonna go ahead and add our smoked turkey necks. Then you want to go ahead and add your smoked sausage. After that, we're going to add our holy trinity. We have a half of a bell pepper, a half of a yellow onion, and 2 stalks of celery. Then we're gonna add 6 more cups of water. We want our water to cover the turkey necks. After that, we're gonna go ahead with our seasonings. We're gonna use 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna add a couple sprigs of fresh thyme and fresh rosemary. Then we're gonna put the top on it. We're gonna cook it for about an hour. After that hour, you're gonna see the water is gonna get much creamier. The beans are starting to burst open. It's your preference on how soft or how hard you want your beans, but me, I like them to burst open. And we're gonna cook it for 30 more minutes, because the longer you cook them, the creamier it's gonna get. Then you're ready to eat. Go ahead and pour your black-eyed peas on a bed of jasmine rice. Get you one of those turkey necks and dig in. I'm telling you, super, super, super simple recipe. Not hard at all. Y'all give it a try.